Bafethu, as I don't understand ukuthi uKhalil Ben Yusuf noCedric Kaiser bayicabanga kanjani le game before iKaizer Chiefs namhlanje bafethu. I was expecting a defensive approach because number one, Kaizer Chiefs is away from home. Number two, they only need a draw to qualify from this group, right? All of a sudden, these people go away from home in the last game, right? And they play this open game against Zamalek, a team that also needs to qualify from this group, right? No more defender is 7. I think I'm a Faithful football complain because they know Guti, they only need a draw to qualify from this group, right? Lama coach, la kumele basitshengise khona ukuthi they can grind out results. They're failing. They play this unattractive football. Like George Matlow, bafethu. I haven't seen George Matlow since like TS Galaxy before the AFCON break. I haven't seen him starting games for Kaizer Chiefs. All of a sudden, namhlanje, he's in the midfield for Kaizer Chiefs. All of a sudden, Kaizer Chiefs is playing beautiful football. La mele bagrande khona ama-result, they play beautiful football bafethu. Like, can somebody please help me understand the thinking bafethu? Mhlawumbe yimi ongalazi ibhola, right? Like, what were they thinking bafethu? Noma ngadlala ama-defender is 7. Everybody knows ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs is going there to avoid a defeat and get a draw. They qualify from this group bafethu. Unfortunately, they blew it, Buffett. They completely blew it. Kaizer Chiefs was supposed to qualify in this group, right? But all of a sudden, they're coming back home. They're going to play the Betway Premiership only, Buffett. They can't complain again about managing schedule because they're going to get enough rest time, Buffett. Imagine 10 points in a group level, Buffett, and Kaizer Chiefs is out. Salute.
Yeah, we are out. Out. Nedbank Cup, out. CAF Confederations Cup, out. League, forget about it. I'm telling you right now, Amakosi, forget about the league. We are not winning the league. Maybe we can challenge or whatever, but forget about it. We are not winning the league. We're in a rebuilding phase. So forget about the league. That one-on-one, man, last week, that one-on-one. If that one-on-one was put away in the 63rd minute, we'd be talking a different story from last week. We didn't have to depend on this game this week. One-on-one, take your chances when they come. And the setup, the way we're playing, we went there for a draw, which I do not want. That's what I've been reiterating all week. Go there for a win. Put the pressure on them. They are under pressure, not us. They are under pressure. So we go there, we pile up the pressure on them. And another thing, I said we must leave on Monday. Monday we must leave. We left on Wednesday. So basically, Thursday, Friday to climatize, Saturday game. You could see second half, we were flat. No energy, lackluster. We didn't even throw the kitchen sink at them. Once we went 1-0 down, we're still playing a normal game, pushing them. No, kitchen sink, route 1, ugly football, ugly. I don't want this thing passing between the lines. We are not Manchester City. Route 1. We look, even so, we could not score from open play. Once again, we scored from a corner. And I mentioned last week, guys, we were lucky with the penalty. But Kaizer Chiefs fans were coming for me. We played well, you and our lads next. It's like, guys, we were lucky to get that win. Hey, how were we lucky? We played well. We got a penalty, which wasn't a penalty. And then we scored from a free kick. Well done for the free kick, it's 1 goal. But from open play, nothing. Even once again, we scored from a corner today. Corners are part of the game, I get that. But from open play, we create chances, but we don't take them. And all those Kaizer Chiefs fans, the ones that were enjoying cooking Orlando Pirates not being in CAF, I did not cook Pirates not even once for not being in CAF. Go look, you can't find a video of me laughing at Orlando Pirates not being in CAF. I was actually upset because I want all South African teams to participate in CAF. And I was upset saying Orlando Pirates sucks they knocked out of CAF, but it is unlucky. Well played against the game, Limpopo. That was it. You never heard me speak about Pirates being up and not being in CAF. I couldn't even speak properly of them not being in CAF, not even once. But you guys have been cooking them the whole time. After every PSL game, talking about we going to CAF, Pirates not going to CAF. Now all the Pirates fans are coming for all of us, even me included. They're leaving no stone unturned because of you guys and telling them that we're winning CAF Confederations Cup when the group stages aren't even done. The other day we were saying that you were winning the league, and I said, relax, stop saying that. Take it one game at a time. You guys always jump ahead. But yeah, all the unlucky boys. Next year we go again. Like I said, we're in a rebuilding phase. Next year we go again. We'll be playing for the Carling Cup, MTN8, hopefully Nedbank Cup, because there's no CAF football for us next season. We had a taste of it today, this year or this season, whatever, and then it's over. So yeah, it is what it is. It is what it is.
Bazofokasa kwi-camp andazi ngokuba bazofokasa ngathi yaringa hello sisi ndicela ubuza se-office Kaizer Chiefs ezo. Oh okay, good uthetha naye Tumelo Trom. Speak person sabalandeli beOrlando Pirates, the president yabalandeli bebhola eAfrika yonke jikelele, every Africa. Shaba zamaleke shaba. We are very excitement. Buya mtwana, buya. Uyele kaya musukuliwala. Sorry. Anhleki sis. Ndicinga nje esa statement ebenisithetha ngoba niphuma kwiNedbank nitheni yona nifuna ufocusa kwiCAF. Ngoku ndiyacinga uba mandizosuggesta ndinixelele enye into mhlawumbe ningazama uba creative nicheckishe ezinye izinto eninofocusa kuzo because ileague nayo anizuyiva. Anizuyiva ileague kaloku iza kuPirates ileague. So mhlawumbe ningafocusa kwezinye izinto mhlawumbe ningacheckisha lanto kuba zimbongi kanje ngathi into in le kuba imbongi ndibone enye le yamakhoyiseni ibibongela upresident. Nina mhlawumbe ningabongela iPirates xa ithatha ileague. Usakhona udropile. We are very excitement. Kangelana enye into madoda enofocusa kuyo. Okanye mhlambe nenze netball.
Lapha kuRiatsotela iBishop Makamu uvama ukuthi mihla namalanga sibhekana nebinxabadala. Naye enye ibinxabadala ke. Yiyo le. So iKaizer Chiefs ibulewe ngenduku babulawa abafana abafaru leGibhithe. Ayikho futhi into emangaza ngalento eyenzeke lapha. Lamadoda lawo went there to defend. Bayilapha ngokuyodefenda kwayiloko abakwazanga ukwenza kahle, they got punished. Yabo. I could talk about the approach game by the coaches poor. I could talk about maybe the players who didn't play well, maybe players azamile. I could do all that. But akusasizi abafana ababulewe ngenduku baphumile competition ababuye ekhaya. Ababuye ekhaya. Sibone baphelela phelikini. Disappointing game. And labantu laba kuzofanele bayilungise lento yabo kushaya igoli eli-1 per game. Ngoba if bengachubeka nalento yabo siyokubona kwabona uSaul every game. Siyokubona kwabona uSaul.
Uhambo leKaizer Chiefs bafethu seliphelile kanjalo after beluzile kwiZamalek 2-1. Basitholile izimbambamba bayitholile induku away from home. Bafethu yabona uma ucoach udinga amasende. iChiefs iluze la true kungabi nayo coach. Ungabi nawo ama tactics ka coach, philosophy ka coach. Kwa coaching, proper coaching. You know udlala nabantu ababona uthi labantu awuthi badlala ibhola tiki taka bafuna ukunibreaka. No, labantu bathi 1-2 bedlala ama-through ball ba fast makuyiwa phambili. iZamalek ibathatha only 5 seconds kusuka eswini befike epalini. So mawuno coach njalo kumele ufaka abadlali abaquick kwa wena. Amasabhakha awahlakaniphi. Tshela abadlali bakho at least ukuthi if uthola labantu nawo mabesakujaha mawuthola ibhola lidle nawo ubajahe, because if ubheka amagoli eZamalek 8-2 bebelwina iswini fast bebekhetha uMark othi ngoba usahambile yena mdlalo bethe ukudlala bayiChiefs yena bekhuphuka enze izinto ezenzeka make wanyuka bazolifaka esayidini lakhe bazofika manje. And mawubheka onke amagoli ayo angena esayidini kaMark, and mawubheka uMark icontribution yakhe ibinkulu kakhulu makuyiwa phambili yena benza ama dribblings yena becreate ama chances. So ibimdinga more iChiefs mayiya phambili. Mase kuyi uMark phambili obvious iZamalek kuzobe sigcwele emva. Bona mabelithatha ibhola baya phambili only 5 seconds sebefikile epalini. So i-Chiefs ngokulekha kwi-proper coaching ayina coach akwazanga ukufunda igame ukuthi kudingeka abo mfundo early bebedingakala egamini abovele babe bedingeka early abomaya bebedingeka early obafaka ngama last minutes abene pressure i-Chiefs izidliwe so le lose i-Chiefs be deserve ukuthi ithole because ayina ucoach lento etshena i-Chiefs ukuthi no man qoqo madoda antholani ucoach ningamusani ucoacha ngabantu abangenayo i-CAF noma ngithi ke i-FIFA license your coach vele irobari leyo engicabanga ukuthi mangathiwa ngempela kuvuleke icala kwi-Chiefs bengathola labe guilty ngalento abayenza ukuthi becoachisa abantu abafika bezotolika sebengocoach hayi khona nama interim angikhumbuli khona interim nje akanje okwamanje iZamalek bebe deserve iwin ibhola beliquick kakhulu for iKaizer Chiefs and libasebenzela kwasho ukuthi badlala neteam engena coach okwamanje so well done Zamalek niya kuma quarter finals Chiefs binga deserve ibhola bidlala enane coaching abangenayo kahle hle bekube scam lesuthi Chiefs igcine ifike ehlambe kuma quarter finals semi finals or kwi final ngaphandle kwa coach so ibhola bedlalo belingakubaniki lento yokuthi kumele befike kuma big stages so vele ibhola kumele lihlale lapha.
We were knocked out of the netband. We wanted to focus on the CAF. Now we are out of the CAF. We want to focus on the We want to focus on the
uNkulunkulu ngiyacela umoya ophansi ndikhuphe kuKaizer Chiefs ndikhuphe kule team uNkulunkulu oyingcwele ngisuse kule team ngoba kusuke ngisho senzama kangakanani akuphumeki kuKaizer Chiefs ngiyayiqala mina i-team ebheda kanje iyabheda iKaizer Chiefs nikhuphe moya ongcwele kule team
Hey, please ekhala lo sisi ngiyamzwela manje mina. Kukancane ukuthi ubuka ivideo yami ubone lo sisi happy. Kancane futhi uhlezi ekhala uhlezi acomplain nga something. So nje is sad but and bafethu let's it for video namhlanje bafethu. Please make sure bafethu ukuthi niyabuka ama ads as always bafethu ngenzela a huge favor bafethu ukuthi nibuka ama ads. And coming into the game I was expecting Chiefs to lose because they couldn't beat Zamalek like they threw Zamalek nakhona they threw Zamalek game mistake ka keeper at the dying ends of the game so it was a clear win for Zamalek then keeper fumble kwaba draw so I just knew ukuthi they are ngeke bebuye mpethe Egypt ngeke bebuye because they even ku Al-Masry bashawa le Egypt bashawa ngempela I'm not sure but what's important ukuthi iChiefs iphumile kwi-CAF. Now all those talks ukuthi thina sibhizi kwi-CAF iPirates ayiphume sakhuluma ngendaba ze-CAF. Yabona ama consequences okukhona kakhulu. Ama-fans e-Chiefs bethi ayakhuluma. Yo, Chiefs fans niyakhuluma and I feel like ukukhuluma kwenu nibangela ama-player unnecessary pressure. Because phela the way unikhuluma ngakhona players have to back it up. Ukuthi phela ama-fans ayakhuluma so we have to sihlale. But then uma ngisisijona ukuthi iChiefs iya rebuild ibuilding njengoba isi rebuild nje futhi Chiefs ibethi iyagowa but Chiefs is going through a lot awazi ukuthi iya builder or iya rebuilder or why was Nabi fired and abantu afika nabo bona bayasala that makes apethi mina as much as ngihappy ukuthi Chiefs iphumile I wanted those guys ukuthi behambe futhi becompete kwi-Champions League because angifuni ukuthi bebuye kwi-league bese babule bethi 1-0 so bona sebe ku number 2 labantu ababese baya kwi-Champions League next season so kumele yini lokho we can't bengifuna ukuthi beqhubeke lapha because bengazi ukuthi at some point nephezu khona ama team serious lapha owidati bethu iChiefs bengeke iwine le nto le but manje ukuthi babuya early kanje I'm not happy ngale nto leyo because
i-Sundowns even though I wanted them to lose, I was happy ukuthi bawinile because angifuni bebuye. Le league mfethu this season yethu. Angifuni lutho mfethu engiphazamisayo eligini. So if it means ukuthi kumele becompete kwi-Champions League, abahambe. Ngifuna ileague mina bra. Nah. League angiyifuni ngoba nakho we deserve it bra. We literally deserve the league. Iphi team manje mfethu currently edlala ibhola elidlule lethu? Currently who's the best player eligini manje mfethu? It's Mfukeng dog. What? I was saying angikhulumi ngegame namhlanje. That's because I don't even talk about games dog. Because I'm an analyst. All I can say ukuthi had luck Makosi and it's gonna be a long weekend for Makosi. Just imagine Amaravas are going to ayawina and when you lose. And it's not just a defeat. You crash out of the Champions League after crashing out of the Nedbank. Yeah, man. It is really hard being a coach, dog. I don't wanna lie. It's hard being a coach. But anyways, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing, commenting, and doing all those things. But you guys, for everything in to see you guys on Wednesday. My parents, it's a league. Because if you win on Wednesdays, it's a league, bro. Because if you win on Wednesday, it just might figure like net draw, you can afford it draw because whatever, we are cruising nicely. Let me pause.